In 1874, Friedrich Nietzsche wrote something that would get him canceled today. He said that forgetting is not a weakness, it is a strength. Not just any strength, but the one that makes all other strengths possible. He called it active forgetting, and he argued that without it, happiness is impossible. Here's what he actually said. Forgetting is not mere absence, it is an active, positive faculty. When it breaks down, the result is not a clearer mind, but a paralyzed one. Cannot forget, cannot act, cannot create, cannot move forward, because every action requires forgetting the weight of everything that came before it. Nietzsche put it like this: too much past precludes action, happiness, and further development. Think about what that means. It means the culture that tells you to process everything, to journal about it, to talk about it, to sit with it, to feel it fully, to never let it go. That culture is not making you healthier. It is making you heavier. It is turning you into someone who carries everything and therefore can do nothing. But Nietzsche wasn't naive. He wasn't saying don't learn from the past. He was saying there's a difference between learning and drowning. Learning means extracting the lesson and discarding the weight. Drowning means replaying the tape over and over until the tape becomes your identity. Modern psychology is starting to catch up to what Nietzsche intuited 150 years ago. The concept is called rumination, and it is now recognized as one of the strongest predictors of depression and anxiety. Rumination is not insight. It looks like insight, it feels like insight. You're thinking deeply about your problems, but you're not solving them. You're just marinating in them. The research is brutal on this point. People who ruminate recover more slowly from depression, they respond worse to treatment, they experience more chronic episodes, and rumination at its core is the refusal to forget. So here's Nietzsche's challenge to you. Stop treating forgetting as a moral failure. Stop acting like the depth of your pain is measured by how long you can remember it. The strongest people are not the ones who remember the most. They are the ones who can absorb a blow, extract the lesson, and then let the memory. That is not repression. That is not denial. That is what Nietzsche called the will to move forward. Active forgetting is not amnesia, it is the discipline of choosing what stays and what goes. It is the mental equivalent of cleaning out a closet. You do not keep every piece of clothing you have ever owned, you keep what fits, what serves you, and you let the rest go. Nietzsche understood something that our therapy-obsessed culture has forgotten. You do not heal by remembering more, you heal by remembering less, and the people who tell you otherwise are not helping you. They are just helping you carry the weight.